Thank you for stopping in to watch this demo on DocuClarify. We start out, we have some instructions here that you can pop out. Pretty simple, about 3 steps. And as you can see, we can audit these insurance policies. Medicare insurance, if you're getting ready for Medicare, trying to decide what route to go with it, you can audit some options here. We have a MedBuddy expense tracker you can take a look at by clicking there. Today we're going to audit a contract, a small business contract. So we're going to click on that. You got to make sure you click on whatever policy you're going to audit because of the way the policy sets up. So we're going to paste in a contract, have it ready here just to save some time. And then all we have to do is hit risk audit. Gives you the progress here and up here. It's usually fairly quick. Sometimes it takes a little longer depending on what the servers are doing on the back end. Back over here, we got claim denials. If you get a claim denial letter, we'll audit that and help you draft a template. Medical bill decoder. This one's kind of fun. Cruises pretty extensive terms and conditions that can get you in trouble. So here is a report. Contract executive risk brief gives you a contract grade of D, so you might want to be careful with this one. Some out-of-pocket expenses coming up here, high priority things for you to look at. Material specs, standards, emissions. And what I like is this printout of the specifications, so you can check them off one by one when you're going through the contract. Make sure you didn't forget something. I just did one for a client and he had forgot one simple thing. It's not going to kill him to fix it, but makes another trip back to the job to correct it. And then we break down some paragraphs in plain English, scope of work. And then on the tail end of that, you can download the report and print it out if you like. And then for specifications, go through them one at a time to make sure you don't miss something. That's down here. And then the breakdown, some paragraphs. So thank you for watching. We hope you can use this powerful software to reclaim your power over contracts and insurance companies. If you know what you're paying for and what's covered and what's not covered, you can go back and make sure you have the coverage you need so there's no surprises when a claim is filed. There's a book out called The Claim Game, and it is definitely a game what the insurance companies are trying to do to us. So hope you enjoy, hope you can use it. Thank you very much.